Hey guys, welcome back to Cash is Cooking. I'm Cash, and today we're gonna be making healthy French toast. Stay tuned and I'll show you how we do it step by step. Now what makes this a healthy French toast? Well, I'm substituting some of the more heavy caloric items with less caloric items, such as butter. I'll be using ghee, which is clarified butter. Instead of 100% whole milk, I'll be using 1% skim milk. And then instead of our generic full of corn syrup, I'm actually using pure maple syrup. And of course, people love brioche bread, but I'm gonna use some of Sara Lee's healthy 45 calorie bread instead. Let's get to cooking. All right, to go ahead and build that custard for the French toast, we're gonna go ahead and mix our eggs, cinnamon, sugar, vanilla, and the 1% milk. All right, let's crack these eggs. Man, maybe they should do an egg cracking competition. I'd love to join. Added our milk. Let's get our sugar, our cinnamon, and just a few drops of vanilla extract. All right, we've got the custard build, which is the base of your French toast. That's the wet portion. And then of course our bread. I'm using some of that healthier bread. Brioche is my favorite, but whatever you want to use at home will work just the same. Let's go ahead and get over to the skillet and get cooking. All right, so I've got the skillet heated up to medium. I'm gonna go ahead and add some of our clarified butter, which is also known as ghee. We're gonna dip our bread into the custard and then we're gonna get it into the skillet. Stay tuned. All right, I've added the ghee into the pan. We're gonna do a very light dredge of our mixture and let's get the French toast into the skillet. You're gonna repeat the process. You don't wanna soak the bread too long or else it's not gonna give you that nice crispy edge on the outside. I'm gonna turn the heat up just a little bit and it's only gonna take about a minute, maybe a minute and a half for each side. French toast is a very quick breakfast and a very quick item to cook. It's been roughly a minute and the French toast is ready to flip. Golden brown. It's gonna be really, really good. I like it crispy on the edges and soft in the middle. Remember, if you soak the bread into the mixture too long, then it'll be soggy French toast, and no one wants that. And as you prepare multiple batches, you gotta remember to add more butter or ghee, whatever you're using to cook. Give it a whirl around the skillet. Remember, ghee is going to melt much faster than butter. Medium heat. We're repeating the process, quick dip on each side, and then we're gonna add the French toast. Once it's golden brown, you can just go ahead and remove that right to the plate, stack them up on top of each other to retain heat, and we'll be ready for our last piece. Let's go. Last but not least, let's discuss assembling the French toast. We got it off of the skillet. We're gonna top it with fresh strawberries, blueberries, some melted ghee, and 100% maple syrup. Let's get it all built. All right, French toast is done. Let's go ahead and get it topped with our favorite toppings. I like fresh strawberries, a little bit of blueberries, and then our melted ghee, as well as our maple syrup. You can never have too much syrup. All right, I'm ready to dig in. Just cut some of this French toast. All right, it's time. All right. Damn, I did it again. Don't talk with my mouth full. Yeah, I'm good. That's really, really good. That is some healthy French toast for you. Thank you so much for tuning in to Cash is Cooking. I'm Cash. I hope you enjoyed my rendition of healthy French toast. If you like what you saw, give me a thumb. If you really like what you saw, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.